Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to check if your Android phone has malware and how you can detect suspicious apps or activities. This is super important if your phone feels slow, shows random ads, or your battery drains too fast. So let's dive in. First, check for suspicious apps. For that, go to Settings, scroll down and find this option called Apps and tap on it. Now look through the list and see if there are any apps you don't remember installing. If you find something unfamiliar or shady, tap it and uninstall. Second step is to use Google Play Protect. For that, open the Google Play Store app. Now tap your profile icon in the top right corner and select Play Protect. And here tap Scan. This will automatically check for harmful apps and remove them. Third step, check battery and data usage. For that, go to Settings, scroll down and find this option called Battery. Scroll down and tap on View Details. And here, look for apps draining power unusually fast. Go back and find this option called Connections or Network and Internet according to your version. Scroll down and tap on Data Usage. Tap on Allowed Networks for apps and see if unknown apps are consuming data in the background. Fourth step is to install a security app. This is completely optional and for extra safety. You can install trusted antivirus apps like Avast, Malware or Bitdefender from the Play Store to do a deep scan. And that's how you can find and detect malware on your Android phone. Always download apps from the Play Store and keep your phone updated to stay safe. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Android tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.